I used to think talent was the key to success, but now it's much more simpler. It's just showing up. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and let's get it started. Guys, believe in yourselves, okay? If you believe in yourselves, you can do whatever you want. If you believe that you can go to the moon, you can go to the moon. If you believe you can make videos in YouTube straight for Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday, or Monday to Sunday, you can do it. If you can be a boxing athlete, you can be a boxing athlete. If you can study for your exams, you can pass your exams. Don't limit yourself. Don't tell yourself you can't do it. I've seen people, I've experienced, let's say when a senior tells their junior that they can't get a gold in their sport. That junior is going to believe himself or herself that they can't get that gold, okay? But even if you have a mentor telling you that you can't do it, believe in yourself. Prove them wrong. It's not about talent. Talent is nothing. I heard someone say, talent isn't natural. It's practiced. It's built. When a person starts practicing the piano, not all people are talented and they just play like Beethoven or Mozart. I think those people practiced. They practiced every day, every hour, every minute, every second. They gave it their all. Okay? And I heard someone said, practice is what made their talent. Okay? So you got to practice. Practice and practice until you get the standard that you want. Don't be scared. There's nothing to be scared, okay guys? What are you scared of? Scared of being judged? Don't be. Nobody cares. Scared of what? Scared of failing? Don't be. Failing is part of the process. Mistakes is what you get so that you can learn. Keep on doing what you want. Don't be scared, guys. You've got to do the action. Just do it, okay? If you don't take action, nothing's gonna progress, guys. You just need to keep doing. You just need to keep practicing. It's all about the consistency, guys. Just keep showing up. Repetition beats progress. Repetition. Repetition. Improvement. 1% better every day. It keeps stacking up. You're gonna get your growth. When you get that growth, you're gonna have that iron steel confidence. Okay, guys? And whatever happens, the momentum is going to be there. And so, guys, that momentum, that flow state, when you have that, nothing's gonna stop you. You're just gonna keep going and going and going until you get to the top because you've built your confidence. Okay? When you build that confidence, it's the sign of growth. That growth is due to the consistency that you've been keep showing up every day. That's what I'm telling you guys. You just have to keep showing up. Even at the days that you don't want to show up. Like me, there are days that I don't want to go to the gym because I'm tired, I'm not feeling like it, I'm so down. But I need to because I want to tell myself that I can do it. Bodybuilders aren't talented. They've all went through the process of showing up every day, training, and building their body so that they can compete. So that's one example. It's not talent. I mean, there are people who have great genes and all, but there are people who proved them wrong because they kept showing up. It's all about the consistency, guys. Just keep showing up. Take action. Take responsibility. Don't get scared. It's part of the process. I've been scared. You know, guys, I have a technique on how to tell myself to just do it. And it's counting first from 1 to 5. For example, when I don't want to go to the gym, I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I start going to the gym. Or when recording these videos, I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then boom, I'm recording. I'm starting. You just need to start. Push yourself, make a way so that you can start. Don't make excuses. Don't be scared. Because I'm telling you, repetition beats progress. That's the way, guys. And believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, guys. There are people who's going to judge you and you can't stop them. Plus, nobody cares. And you don't care on what they tell you. What's important is you do your thing and you're not hurting them, okay? Do what you want. Keep chasing your dreams. Believe in yourself. prove them wrong. There are haters who are going to tell you you can't do that. There are haters who are going to tell you you're just going to be in that gap, that you can't reach the top, because it's like crab mentality, guys. They're just placing you down below them. And don't be like that, guys. Treat people the way you want to be treated, okay? If you treat them right, people are going to treat you right. And there are people who are going to be jealous of you. And if they're jealous, they are going to do their all to bring you down, because they believe that they can bring you down. And you have to fight that. You have to fight that belief of theirs. You need to believe in yourself to prove them wrong. And when you prove them wrong, they're going to be angry of themselves because they couldn't bring you down. That's why you need to keep showing up. Prove them wrong. And when you're on the top, be humble. You don't need to brag that you're already on the top. You just need to keep showing up. It's not about the talent, guys. It's about keep showing up and building yourself to be at the top. Rome wasn't built in one day. It was built by people who kept showing up every day and built Rome. It's all about the consistency, guys. Day one. Being consistent every day. Plus, I'm telling you, you need rest too. For me, Saturday and Sundays are rest day for me from making these videos. I don't want to force my mind to keep making these videos because it's just stress for me. So you need rest days. For my gym, my rest days are Sundays. You need rest days, guys. Plus, when you rest, that's growth in your part, okay? You're not gonna grow when you don't rest. And so in the future, guys, keep showing up. Be consistent with yourself. Don't bring yourself down, because practice beats the talent. Repetition beats the talent. It's muscle memory, guys. When you have that muscle memory, when you keep showing up, you're gonna grow. You're gonna have that confidence. You're gonna get that improvement. And people are going to tell, oh, it's his talent. That's just his natural way. No, you practiced. You kept showing up. You did it the hard way. Okay, guys, here's my challenge for you. Keep showing up to the things that you think that you need talent to, okay? Just keep showing up and you'll see. You'll prove people wrong that you can do it. Okay, guys, that's it for the video. Like and subscribe. Tell me in the comment if I've inspired you today. I think it's just telling yourself to just start now and don't be scared, okay? And you don't need the talent. That's it, guys. Stay safe. Peace.